Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use PayPal's reporting and analytics. Let's get straight into it. First step, log into your PayPal account. You want to log into your PayPal account. You can use the mobile app, or you can do that from the website. Now the next step is to navigate to the reporting section. So after you're logged into your account, you want to click on activity or reports, and then select reports or statements, and that's going to pull up the reporting section. Next up is to choose a report type. So you have a transaction report where you can view detailed transaction history. Balance reports, you can view current and historical account balances. For dispute report, you can view disputes and claim activity. For sales report, you can view sales and revenue data. The next step is to customize report settings. So you can customize report settings in a couple of ways. The first is date range. You can select a specific date range for the report. You also have transaction types, so you can filter by transaction type, and that's payments or refunds, those kind of types. You can just filter by them. You also have currencies. You can select a specific currency for the report. Next up is to view and analyze report data. So you can review the report data, including charts and graphs. You can also export report data to a CSV file for further analysis. And yeah, that's pretty much it for how to use PayPal's reporting and analytics. Hope you guys liked the video. If you found it useful enough, if you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.